To get your inventory back from Amazon FBA, you need to create a removal order. Here's how to do it. Log into Seller Central. Access your Amazon Seller Central account with your credentials. Go to Manage Inventory. Navigate to the Inventory tab and select Manage Inventory. Select Items for removal. Find the items you want to remove. You can search for specific products or filter your inventory list. Check the boxes next to the items you wish to remove. Create a removal order. Click on the Action on Selected drop-down menu and select Create Removal Order. Specify removal details. Choose the removal method, return to address, or disposal. For returns, enter the address where you want the inventory sent. Enter quantity and confirm. Specify the quantity of each item you want to remove. Review the removal order details and confirm your request. Track removal order. You can track the status of your removal order in the Manage Inventory section under Removal Orders. Receive inventory. If you selected Return to Address, the items will be shipped to the specified address. Keep an eye on the tracking information to know when to expect the return.